Welcome to my Relish Stories and thanks for joining me here today. Today in my kitchen, I'm making a savory pie, mushroom gillette, or open pie, whatever you call it. Grams of plain flour, 150 ml yogurt, and 75 grams of butter. It's important to add butter straight from the refrigerator. When dough is ready, transfer the dough on a plastic film and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. 250 grams of sliced mushrooms. We will fry them in 2 tablespoons of butter. And when mushrooms are tender, we will add onions, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and herbs of my choice. Roll your dough as thin as possible. I'm using this flavored cream cheese, but you can use any cream cheese you like. Some sesame seeds and pumpkin seeds. Bake in the middle of preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes.